The importance of having a portable hand soap within arm's reach has never been more apparent. Washing your hands is of utmost importance, but when used as part of a good hygiene routine, there are many benefits to having a portable hand soap that cleans your hands and kills germs. Here are some reasons why you may want to consider using an alcohol-free waterless hand soap. Unlike most alcohol-based sanitizers, hand soaps that are alcohol-free leave your hands feeling smooth and moisturized with no odor or sticky residue. Additionally, you will not endure the same stinging sensation to any exposed layers of skin. And the new MicroGold Antibacterial Waterless Hand Soap is the perfect germ-killing companion on the go, as it's effective in as little as 15 seconds. The foam pumping action creates an emulsification to clean away dirt and grime while eliminating 99.99% of germs. MicroGold's waterless hand soap is alcohol-free, non-drying, and leaves hands clean and smooth. While hundreds of hand sanitizers, primarily alcohol-based products, have been recalled, this product is FDA approved. Most importantly, the antibacterial properties last up to 4 hours, according to a study in the American Journal of Infection Control on the active ingredient benzalkonium chloride, keeping you protected long after you've finished washing your hands. Check out getmicrogold.com/Lou to learn more about MicroGold's waterless hand soap and all of the MicroGold's premium germ-fighting family of products.